Nakausap natin sina Empress at Felix. Kaya this time, isa na namang bagong love team ang makakasama natin mula sa Bahay ni Kuya. And do you still remember ang indie singer ng USA at ang charming angel ng Cebu? They are here with us today, guys. Ang tambalang Brett and Fritzy. Welcome to Simply Casey. Kamusta ang buhay na wala sa bahay ni Kuya? Nagbabanding pa ba kayo?
Saya po.
If may tapings, castings, magkasama, ganun.
And mall tours, amazing.
Okay, guys, we know how you met, the two of you.
Yes.
Pero ano ba talaga yung pinaka-like ninyo sa isa't isa? Brett, ano ang pinaka-gusto mo kay Fritzy? Siyempre.
The first time I met her, it was her eyes definitely that attracted me directly. Like,
Bakit?
Why?
Ano
Ano
meron
meron
sa
sa-
mata ko?
if you look at the left one, the left eye, she has cat eyes and it's really beautiful. Look, oh.
Cat eyes?
See how it
Bakit?
goes like that? There's like a
Like a what?
slash like that.
Anong slash?
See?
Oo nga, ang ganda. Buti napansin mo yon. Ganun, tumitingin ka ba ng malapit na parang,
Sobrang lapit ba?
para ma-notice mo yun, Brett, in
Observant
fairness sa'yo.
lang talaga si Brett.
Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Personality, attitude niya, ganun. And his eyes.
Mata din. Ako mata-mata
First time I
lang
heard
pala.
that
Pwede na
one.
kayo mag-uusap sa mata. Plus points ba yung
nag-react
musikero si
naman.
Brett?
Probably yes. Diba? Kasi talented, then he's good in singing.
Fritzy also, she can play the piano really good.
Compatible. Silang dalawa daw, love ang music. Brett, did you ever write a song for Fritzy?
Yes, I wrote her 2 songs now.
You wrote her 2 songs?
Yes.
Pwede bang pasample naman?
You have got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen. You, me, we could be so damn happy. I'll keep staring at you till you stop staring too. Then maybe, baby, daily you could love me too.
Ang cute! Bakit ako kinikilig? Bakit ganon? Kayo ba best friends kayo sa totoong buhay? What do you think makes it click? Yung
Ay.
totoo lang.
It's nice to have someone that looks out for you, you know?
Ganun ba?
Ang
She's
cute.
there for me and I'm there for her also.
Alright. It's so special to have a friendship like that. Sana hindi magbago yan. Since kumanta ka, may sinulat ka rin na kanta. Ngayon naman, isang kanta ang gusto ko muling ialay para sa lahat ng in love na hindi marunong sumuko sa kabila ng mga problema. Yung mga laging nandyan, nag-aabang for better things to come. Ito ay para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan ninyo. Tahimik lang, kalubog ang araw. Eto lang naman tayo. O, translate mo, Fritzy. Kung Babalik pa po ang Simply Tasty.
Sa ilang sandali na lang, lalabas